Hi, I'm Rie. I'm a tasty producer. Yet again, I've been challenged to take a common food and make it fancy. Here are the rules. You must completely use the food given. You can only add to the food. You can buy whatever ingredients you wish. The previous times, both of the items I don't usually eat or cook. So this time, hope for the best. Right, let's see what's in it. Spam. Spam is charcuterie. It's fancy. It sounds like comic sound, like pow. It's like spam. It's pink. It's like blob of meat. It's gonna be a tough day at work. So here's what I got. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, breadcrumbs, white onion, chicken broth, marinara sauce, and arborio rice, garlic, lemon, and parsley. From the pantry, I got eggs, flour, white wine, black pepper, salt, and butter. Let's get started. Oh my god, James! Wait. Make it fancy. Okay, I'm going to set up my station. I'm going to get my equipment and my special knife. Chicken stock. Also, I chose low sodium chicken broth because spam is very salty. So I chose arborio rice. This rice is perfect for what I'm making right now. 1 cup of white wine.
Great, it seems like you like to use alcohol pretty frequently cooking.
I like using alcohol, yes. And I'm gonna start cutting onion. My knife is a little dull. I have to take my lady to the spa maybe after this shoot. I'm gonna cut another half. So sharper the knife, less likely you're gonna cry. And garlic. Sometimes it's difficult to peel garlic skin, and you can just remove the end part and put it in hot water, and it makes it easy to peel. So I wanna just like do a small mince. Another my favorite tool is scraper. You can like scrape something in a cutting board and easy to transfer. It's important to heat up chicken broth. I'm going to melt butter and saute onions. You don't want a brown onion, you just want to make it translucent. So I'm cooking in a medium heat. It's gonna take about 5 minutes. Add garlic and saute just fragrant about 1 minute. Add a little bit more butter and melt it. I'm going to add rice. Toast this rice until the edge is a little bit translucent. My chicken stock is boiling, so I'm going to lower the heat. I just wanted to keep it warm, and I'm going to add white wine. Bring it to a boil so alcohol is evaporates. Rice absorbs all white wine and it's become a good flavor. So I'm start adding chicken broth, 1 cup at a time. So rice is slowly absorbing chicken stock. You want to stir it constantly because you don't want to burn on the bottom. I'm adding Parmesan cheese, which is very salty. Look at that, cheesy. I'm gonna add more. I think it needs a little bit seasoning, so I'm going to add a little bit salt, black pepper, lemon zest, and a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, so we are going to chill this in the refrigerator until cool to touch. Hot. And you want to spread it in kind of like thin layer so it cools down faster. Go to refrigerator. Now, spam time. Come out. Oh, did you get the sound? So I'm gonna just cut this very, very thin. It's very easy to cut, it's very soft. I think it's love and hate. Some people love it, some people doesn't like it at all. So my goal for this dish is everyone eat this, will love this dish. Nice sound. I want to get the nice brown color. So.
Yay!
Hi!
What are you doing?
Guess what I'm cooking?
I'm hungry. Are you trying to make it fancy?
Yes.
Spam? Make it fancy.
Make it fancy.
I'm not a spam fan. I don't want to yuck anyone's yum.
Yeah,
But
same.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. I mean, like, I make it delicious. Don't worry.
Woo!
Yeah, you should come back and try it, what I make.
Okay, I'll do it. Anything for you, Ray.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you for stopping by. I don't want to make it greasy, so I'm going to bring sheet pan and put some paper towel. I'm gonna squeeze lemon. So this is done, and I'm gonna just cool it. I'm going to chop some parsley. I have a pot of oil to fry. Heat the oil until 370. I like a little bit green in it, and it kind of have a nice fresh flavor. Add some spam, and I'm adding mozzarella cheese. Combine everything. Mix time. I feel like this spam's kind of nice pink color, gives a nice pop to it, and it's kind of pretty right now. I'm going to form them into balls, and I like ice cream scoop. The size is even. I feel like anything round is kind of cute. Almost there. Now, I'm going to coat them with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So this hand is just egg, and this hand is just flour. Because when you touch egg wash, it's very, kind of dirty. Make sure your rice balls is fully coated with breadcrumbs. My finger is double size.
Last one, Ray.
Last one, final stretch. Heat up marinara. This episode is all about sound. Oil is 375. I'm going to start frying. You can fry I would say 6 at the time. You just want to fry until golden brown, probably 5 minutes. You just want it to make everything is warm and nice so cheese melts, crispy outside. That's what you're looking for. So I got some basil leaf I found. I'm going to fry it for decoration. So I'm gonna just try one for myself. Nice, do you see this? Look at that. Plating time. So arancini is very delicious with eating marinara. So just put a drop of marinara and basil, and we are done. Very fancy. Don't bite your tongue. You said you don't like spam.
I love it!
Yes!
Ray made spam. It comes in a can. I'm not a fan, but this is my jam. Mix it with rice. Fry it up nice. Put on some basil. Didn't think twice. She made it fancy, I did a dancy.
Make it fancy.
Make it fancy.
Make it fancy. I think you like it.
It's good. It's very good. Yeah. You made it fancy.
3, 2, 1.
Make it fancy.
Arancini. You can break it and observe it if you want to.
It's good.
Good? Do you want to do dance?
No.
Make it fancy. I've been friends.
I liked it a lot.
Yeah, great. Did I make spam fancy?
You made it fancy.
Yay! Do you want to dance?
No!
Make it fancy. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and I totally encourage you make it at home. And if you make it, please tag me on Instagram and comment below. Make it fancy. That's the best song!